I get in that situation, middle of the summer, really hot outside, but my AC broke. I have a split system, means condenser on the ground, but furnace inside the attic. My AC running, blowing hot air. Everything works fine. When I came here, I heard a humming noise. A compressor was running, but this fan was not. When I spin with the stick, it start running. Now we will be troubleshooting. I have already taken the cover off from the electrical component. Main power coming from here. 240 volt is two phase. When we turn AC, coil comes on, which one turning the cooling fan on the top and compressor both at the same time. As you can see, I have one capacitor here, 70/7.5, 70 UF for compressor, 7.5 for the fan motor. First thing we will do, we will test this capacitor if it's good. For this one, we need to make sure there is no power. We're gonna turn power off. It's actually fuse block we can pull out. It's already disconnected, there is no power. If you are an electrician, you know how to test, but you need to test, make sure there is no power going in before you touch your any electrical component. And we're gonna check if there is any power, make sure there is no power, there is no voltage. So now we will move to the capacitor. You need to be very careful because capacitor get charged. It can store electricity for a long time. So make sure you don't touch. You can even check the voltage, or even you'll see there's two terminals, C and another terminal. You just need to short together. If there is any electricity stored, it will be released. Before you're removing the wire, just make sure you can take a picture or just remember how it wired up, because we need after that. Now let's see how you test a capacitor if it's good or bad. If you see here it says C. C is common. Main power 240 volts comes over here. 70 UF comes out from here. From here, go to the compressor motor, and the fan motor 7.5 from here. To test, I have another Fluke 87 version 5 multimeter, which one is capable to read capacitor. If you see here, yellow is the capacitor reading. We will set our meter to the capacitor. Then we have to press yellow to bring to the capacitor reading. Now, really simple, we will have a black lead to the C terminal and the red lead to the NE. Like this one is for fan. If I put here, it shows 1.67 UF. That means this capacitor is no good. It's supposed to be reading 7.5 more or less. From here to here, it's supposed to show 70. Which one is 50? Still not good. But compressor was running. Now, to prove that, I have a brand new capacitor here. So now, let's see here. C, common, fan, and this one is for the compressor. So from here to here, it's supposed to be 7.5. As I mentioned, exactly same. From C to the other terminal is supposed to be 70. Same thing here, we'll see the reading. Same method, black lead to the C, the other lead to the fan. So you see it's a 7.4, which means our other capacitor was showing 1.6. So this capacitor is 7.4, is like %5 up and down. From here to here, it's supposed to be 70. So it's a 69.5, which means our capacitor is bad. We are lucky. It will do only $18 to fix our AC. Now let's install the new one as we remove the old one and test. Okay, now we will start AC. Mode, cooling, inside temperature 82. Successfully, we have finished fixing that AC compressor. Fan was not running. It blowing cold air inside. I just have it turned off right now so I can finish the video. For me, it was really lucky. I have only replaced the capacitor because when we read, all the capacitor was not reading properly. In your case, if your capacitor reading properly, then the might be issue is on the motor. But you need to make sure once your AC start, it's pushing voltage to the motor. You have to have a 230 or 240 voltage going to the motor. If you have a power, your capacitor good, then most likely your motor is bad. I will not troubleshoot further because everything works fine. Hope you like my video. Please, if you like my video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.